Welcome to this episode of Workplace English, Communicating with Confidence. For the next hour, I'll be your guide to sounding fluent, polished, and professional in English. Let's begin with the very first step in any professional environment: greetings, introductions, and small talk. These might seem simple, but believe me, they are the foundation of workplace relationships. Think about this: you walk into a new office. Someone greets you. Hi, how are you? Many learners answer only, fine. But that shuts down the conversation. Instead, expand a little. I am doing well, thank you. How's your morning going so far? Or, pretty good, thanks. How about you? Notice how adding one more question turns a greeting into a dialogue. When introducing yourself, go beyond the basics. Don't just say, I'm Maria, I work in sales. Upgrade it. Good morning, I'm Maria. I recently joined the sales team, and I'm really looking forward to collaborating with everyone. See the difference? One sounds flat, the other shows enthusiasm and confidence. Here are a few polished expressions you can use. I'm delighted to be part of this project. It's a pleasure to meet you. I've heard great things about your work. I'm eager to contribute to the team's success. And of course, small talk, often underestimated. In reality, it's a bridge. It builds trust. A simple comment like, the commute was smoother than I expected today, or I've been enjoying the sunny weather this week, is enough to spark a friendly exchange. Mini role play, narrated by host. Person A, good morning, I'm Daniel, I've just joined the AT team. Person B, nice to meet you, Daniel. How are you settling in so far? That's all it takes to start building rapport. Activity for you: pause here and practice introducing yourself. Use one advanced phrase. For example, I'm thrilled to be here, or I look forward to learning from this experience. Say it out loud. The more you repeat it, the more natural it becomes. Let's move to one of the most intimidating environments: meetings. For many, the challenge isn't understanding what's being said, it's knowing how to participate. Meetings typically follow a structure: opening, discussion, closing. You'll often hear phrases like, let's get started. The purpose of today's meeting is. Before we wrap up, let's summarize our decisions. Now, giving your opinion is an art. Instead of bluntly saying, that's wrong, try, I'm not entirely convinced by that approach. Perhaps we could consider an alternative. That's an interesting perspective, though I interpret the data differently. See how professional, yet respectful, that sounds. For agreement, you can level up from, I agree. Try, I completely share that perspective. That aligns perfectly with my experience. I fully support that suggestion. Example mini-meeting narrated. Manager, our sales numbers are down this quarter. What are our options? Employee A, I strongly believe we should expand digital marketing efforts. Employee B, that's a valid suggestion. Building on that, perhaps we should also refresh our website design to improve engagement. Notice the elegance. No one is cutting the other down. Instead, they're layering ideas. Activity for you: think of a recent decision you were part of, maybe at work, school, or even at home. Say one sentence of agreement and one of polite disagreement. For example, I agree that's important, but perhaps we could prioritize differently. Pause and try it now. Part 10: professional emails or writing. In today's workplace, your email is your professional fingerprint. A sloppy email makes you look careless. A polished one builds credibility instantly. First rule: clarity. Avoid long, rambling sentences. Informal: hey, I just wanted to let you know that I can't finish this work on time, so maybe I'll try tomorrow. Hope that's okay. Professional: I may need an extension on the deadline. Could we discuss possible options? Short, clear, respectful. Tone also matters. Instead of, "Send me the report now," say, "Could you kindly send me the report by 10 p.m.? Adding, "please," or "kindly" softens the request without losing authority. And your closing line is powerful. Go beyond the usual "best regards." Try, "I appreciate your support on this. Thank you in advance for your assistance. Looking forward to your response." Here's a sample professional email. "Dear Ms. Jane, thank you for your feedback on the proposal. I revised the document accordingly and the updated version is attached. Please let me know if further adjustments are needed. Kind regards, Danielle." Professional, polite, precise. Activity for you. Take this informal sentence. "Send me the file fast." Now, rewrite it as a professional email line. "Could you please send me the file by tomorrow morning?" Pause and say it aloud. Part 4, presentations or public speaking. Few things make professionals more nervous than presentations. But with structure and the right phrases, you can sound confident even if your hands are shaking. Here's a simple structure. Greeting, "Good afternoon, everyone." Introduction, "Today I'd like to shed light on." Transitions, "Moving on to my next point." Conclusion, in summary, these findings highlight the need for mini presentation, narrated. "Good morning, everyone. Today I'll outline 3 strategies to boost customer satisfaction. First, faster response times. Second, clearer communication. Finally, personalized service. In conclusion, implementing these strategies will strengthen loyalty and growth. Thank you. Notice how clean and structured that is. Advanced presentation phrases include, as illustrated by this chart. What I'd like to emphasize is, to put it in perspective. And your voice matters. Pause intentionally. Speak at a steady pace and don't fear silence. Silence gives weight to your words. Activity for you. Choose one topic you are passionate about: sports, technology, food. Say a 1-minute presentation using an advanced opening, 1 transition, and 1 conclusion. Record yourself, listen, and refine. Part Punch, workplace culture, politeness or conflict. Workplace English isn't just about words. It's about diplomacy, tone, and awareness. Polite refusal example. "I can't do this." "I'll do my best, but could we clarify which task takes priority?" Teamwork phrases. "Shall we collaborate on this?" "Would you like me to take the lead?" "I'd be happy to support you with that." Conflict handling. "That's wrong." That's an interesting perspective. Another option might be buzzwords for culture. Work-life balance. Synergy. Proactive approach. Role play, narrated. Person O, "Your idea is too expensive." Person B, "I see your concern. Perhaps we can brainstorm cost-effective alternatives." Activity, think of a workplace conflict you had. Reframe it politely. Example, instead of "You are late again," say, "I noticed some delays. How can we streamline this together?" Part C, career growth or professional development. To close our 2-hour session, let's talk about the language of growth and career development. In interviews, performance reviews, or networking, you need strong, confident phrases. Interview phrases. "I thrive in collaborative environments." "One of my strengths is adaptability." "I consistently strive to add value." Performance review phrases. "Over the last quarter, I successfully delivered projects ahead of schedule." "I've taken initiative to mentor junior colleagues." Networking buzzwords. Let's connect and explore potential synergies. "I'd love to pick your brain about your experience in this field. It would be great to stay in touch and collaborate in the future." Idioms for growth. Climb the corporate ladder. Take it to the next level. Think long term. Activity. Imagine you are at a networking event. Introduce yourself with one advanced phrase and one idiom. For example, I'm passionate about innovation and I'm eager to take my career to the next level. And that brings us to the end of this 2-hour journey into professional English. Together, we've explored greetings, meetings, emails, presentations, workplace culture, and career growth. Remember, fluency is not about perfection. It's about clarity, diplomacy, and confidence. The phrases you practice today, from "I'm delighted to join" to "let's circle back on this," will help you shine in real situations. My final advice: practice daily. Use one phrase tomorrow at work. Try a new opening in your next email. Experiment with a polished conclusion in your next meeting. Bit by bit, you'll sound natural, confident, and professional. Thank you for joining me on Workplace English, communicating with confidence. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, every conversation is an opportunity to grow.